कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है। वेलकम टू टीआरएस क्लिप्स। मतलब मेरी इंटेंशन ये है कि आपका फ्यूचर हस्बैंड ये पॉडकास्ट देख ले।
प्लीज देख ले, इजी हो जाएगा, मेरे लिए भी इजी हो जाएगा. आई डोंट हैव टू इनडायरेक्टली से अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो. इट विल
आप
जस्ट बी क्लियर.
आप ये चाहते हो एक
शादी
अच्छा सा हस्बैंड?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा हस्बैंड चाहती हूँ. आई थिंक दुनिया में बहुत अच्छे देर आर सम ग्रेट मैन इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड माई फादर बीइंग वन ऑफ देम. बट या देर आर सम ग्रेट वंडरफुल मैन इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड आई बिलीव कि ऐसा होगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई ऑलवेज हैव दिस इमेज ऑफ a very nice, positive, calm, stable, dependable man next to me with lots of dogs, a few kids.
Lots of dogs.
Yeah, I
Okay.
love dogs.
Okay.
So lots of dogs. I do a lot of work for dogs as well, but we'll talk about that later. But yeah, I have this visual in my mind.
Doesn't sound like anyone from our industry.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love dogs. Like, I have my ultimate NGO type of dreams are to do with dogs, which I'm already working on. I wish I can do it. But yeah, so the answer is yes. ऐसा चाहिए कोई. I think मिलेगा at the right time. Right now, तो I don't have anyone like that in my life.
लूजली ना आई फील कि हमारे इंडस्ट्री में टू फाइंड अ कंपैटिबल पर्सन फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि हम सबकी दुनिया में बहुत ज़्यादा केओस है.
बहुत ज़्यादा केओस है और आई फील लाइक कहीं पर एक जो प्योरिटी होती है एक रिलेशनशिप की, समवेयर आई फील्स दैट्स मिसिंग, नॉट जस्ट इन आवर इंडस्ट्री बट in many places right now. एक
Old school
प्योर
love की ज़रूरत है.
रिलेशनशिप है ना, just pure relationship with no other intentions and just love, acceptance.
या आई फील कि हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन का प्यार अलग होता था
हाँ,
हमारी जनरेशन से.
एब्सोल्युटली. मतलब बहुत एक्सेप्टेंस होता था आई थिंक रणवीर तब.
हम्म.
इट दे weren't chasing perfection कि मेरा पार्टनर परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, यू नो. देयर इज नो परफेक्शन. इट वाज जस्ट एक्सेप्टेंस. ये है जो है मेरा है, you know. It was literally like that and that's what I feel love eventually is, you know.
Yeah, and you know, correct me if I'm wrong, I think we're roughly in the same age group.
I think so, yeah.
But किसी ने एक बार आई थिंक शो पर ही कहा था कि अरेंज मैरिजेस हमेशा अच्छी नहीं होती, बट जब अच्छी होती है ना, आप उनसे प्यार करना सीख लेते हो.
I agree.
एंड ये एक बहुत ग्रोन अप टेक ऑन लव है जो बहुत सच है.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इर्रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ हु यू डेट, आप बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स में उनके साथ बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे. बट अबाउट गेटिंग पास्ट द फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
Absolutely. और I feel कि क्या होता है कि in arranged marriages, so I am someone who's open to arranged marriages as well. Later, let's see. But I know it's shocking, but Gen Z, what do you have to say about this? Can't connect. Can't
नहीं
connect,
नहीं,
na? It's great.
जेनजीज में भी दो एक्सट्रीम्स है.
Great. But you know, I've noticed that. I've been hanging out with like these really young group of people nowadays. I never thought I would get along with them, but I'm actually,
Yeah.
I feel they're very sensitive.
Yeah, बहुत strong personalities है. So you
हाँ.
can always find a group which suits us.
Yeah. I was surprised because I usually got along with older people,
Yeah.
but I was surprised to get along with like 23-year-olds. And I'm like, ये क्या हो रहा है?
I think इनकी पढ़ाई बहुत बढ़ चुकी है AI की वजह से. Mainly AI की वजह से, but
100%.
content also.
Absolutely.
Like ये लोग हमसे ज़्यादा बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं at that age.
Yeah.
And they quickly learn. Like we are talking as people in our 30s,
Yeah.
saying कि अरे यार in our 30s we learned this.
Yeah.
A 22-year-old watching this can gain that value at 22.
And their EQ has become very high.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. It's become higher than some of the people I know of my age and even older than me. I feel like their EQ is actually very, very high.
Yeah. आप अपने बायोडेटा में हाई EQ लिखोगे?
मैं अपने बायो डेटा में क्या लिखूंगी? मैं लिखूंगी सिंपल नारी.
सिंपल नारी.
मतलब सिंपल.
बस. बट आप भोले नहीं हो.
No.
आप शार्प हो.
I'm smart but innocent but not dumb. I'm not dumb.
आप पता क्या हो? आप मारवाड़ी हो.
That is absolutely right.
Has someone ever dumped you?
Dumped. I mean, no, I haven't been dumped, but I have been cheated on. If that's counted as dumped indirectly, that's dumped. So yeah, I have been cheated on.
Was your partner famous?
No, that was before the
Before your
be-
fame,
before my
you got
fame.
cheated on.
Yeah, I got cheated
As a
on.
teenager.
As a teenager, and it was so difficult for me to understand the concept because I'm like, but why? Because you're very logical, right? You're like, if you're with me, why would you? Then don't be with me. So you can't understand the concept of it
Why did he
when
cheat
you're
on
younger.
you?
I was traveling. I was not in the country. I was traveling. So I think I was in Australia or something for a while, and yeah.
Just
But
cheated.
yeah, but that wasn't like a serious relationship anyway. So I don't think it really hurt me or it really. I was heartbroken. I don't think I've actually been very heartbroken earlier on in my life. It was like a whatever relationship, nothing serious.
Let me introduce you to the arranged marriage market. There's a lot of
Oh God,
capable Marwadi boys out
Marwari
there.
boys. Yeah, I think so. But
You've never dated anyone that you felt like marrying. Have you?
not before. Maybe some time ago, yeah.
One
But
person was.
just one.
Hmm.
But again, no, actually, no, I haven't.
Have you told your parents you're open to arranged marriage?
I mean, they've asked me many times. I've always been saying that, okay, we'll see, give me some time, give me another year. So I've been taking that one
Why?
year because I don't know. I just feel like marriage is something that just needs to happen. You know, you just need to meet someone and feel like, okay, I think this person would be a great life partner. As much as there's love and this and that and all of that, I agree. But it has to be like a well-made, good decision. You know? You can't just go with love, I feel. You need to decide.
Should go to Banaras and ask for it.
Go to Kashi and pray, Bhagwan, मुझे please अच्छा रिश्ता लेके आओ मेरे लिए.
शिव जी आपकी तरह किसी को भेज दो.
Yeah, Shivji. How beautiful would that be?
No? I see that with a lot of, again, girls our age, a lot of Shiv Shakti Bhakti.
Yeah. You know, I had this dialogue in one film also. I did it. It was a Telugu dialogue, Naku Ramadu Lanti Vadi Kavali, which means I want a guy like Lord Ram.
Oh, wow. So,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So I think somewhere maybe let's manifest that. You know, someone like Lord
You
Ram.
definitely need an Indian guy.
You know something, for some reason, some, foreigners, they look great and everything is great, but I can't imagine myself with a foreigner. I don't know why. I think I'm too desi.
Yeah. That's one aspect. I also feel ki if you're an Indian and if you're an artist, there's too much philosophy already in your head. That's
Yeah.
highly Indian. And you need to match that frequency with another Indian person.
Yeah, like I just don't feel it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think I need an Indian
Like,
boy.
how would you explain this Ramji ka angle to
Haan,
some American
Ram.
dude?
How?
Like,
Yeah.
like just it's too layered.
It is.
Indian dharma and all.
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.